In this video, I'll show you how to create an Excel macro that copies only the data you need, skipping unnecessary rows and columns, and paste it into a specific sheet of another file. Instead of simply copying all the data, this macro allows us to automatically perform a conditional copy based on specific rules. This is the original Excel sheet. The data in rows 2, 4, 6, and 8, highlighted in red, are unnecessary. Column F is also considered unnecessary. We want to automatically select only the needed data and copy it to the weekly management sheet in another Excel file. First, go to the Developer tab and click Visual Basic. In the menu bar, click Insert, then choose Module. A new module, Module 1, appears in the left panel. That's where we'll write our code. First, type sub-copy filtered data to selected workbook. When you do that, end sub will be added automatically. This is the basic structure. We'll write our code between sub and end sub. Dim dest WB as workbook. Set dest WB equals workbooks.open file path. This opens the destination file and sets it as our target using the dest WB object. Dim sheet name as string. Sheet name equals input box. Please enter the name of the sheet to paste into, for example, weekly management sheet. Set dest sheet equals dest WB.sheets sheet name. The user types the sheet name into a pop-up dialog. That sheet becomes the paste target. Set src range equals application.input-box. Select the range to copy, for example, a 2J8, type colon equals 8. This allows you to manually select the range to copy by dragging your mouse. If actual row mod 20 then. This means, if the row number is odd, copy it. Even rows are skipped. If J6 then. Dest sheet.cells paste row, J, offset. Value equals src range.cells I, J. Value. This skips column F, the 6th column. An offset is used so the pasted columns still line up properly. Setting col offset equals 1 allows us to skip column F while keeping the alignment of the other columns intact. You can save the macro from here. By default, Excel files are saved in XLSX format, but to include a macro, you need to change the file type to XLSM. To do that, click back first, then change the file type to Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, XLSM. Then hit the green triangle Run button in the Visual Basic editor. You'll be prompted to choose the destination file. Enter the sheet name. Select the source range. After that, the macro takes care of everything. Finally, here is the sheet generated using the macro, which automatically removes all even numbered rows and column F from the source data. With this macro, you can skip unwanted rows and columns, reduce manual copy-paste errors, save time with repetitive tasks,